Well, hey YouTube, welcome back to the Mr. and
Mrs.
Welcome back to the Mr. and Mrs. HDR Travel Channel show. No, that's not true. Dude, we're like traveling crazy people here today, but every day. This is day number 4. Welcome back. And today we are heading to Miss HDR wanted to take me to some place called what?
Branson, Missouri.
Branson. And our buddy Chad and Debbie, thank you very much. We are going right now to Branson West to look for the dough factory.
Old-fashioned dough company.
The old-fashioned dough company. So that's what we're looking for, and we're going to try to find that and have some kind of a really, really amazing cinnamon bun. And Chad and his wife Debbie has traveled across this great nation multiple times on their motorcycle, on their Harley-Davidson, and they know every eatery you can think of. So if you need to find something, hit him up on Instagram. He don't have a YouTube channel, but you can find him on Instagram. And you can also find Debbie on there. If I can find their names, I'll link them in this video. Then you can follow them. All right, we're going to get underway here for day number 4. Like I said, we left the campsite. Had a, well, you know what. In all transparency, I'm going to give you this real quick. So, camping is a wonderful thing, right? And so we thought, but sometimes...
No, it is a wonderful thing.
Sometimes, it's really hot in here. No, it is a wonderful thing. But anyway, so we bought this. We bought this air mattress, right? Which is really cool. I mean, it's like your mattress at your house. It's really comfortable, and it started out really, really well. And the first night we didn't know you had to charge this pump up. So it wasn't pumped up all the way. It felt like you slept in a waterbed. I told you guys about that. Last night we thought, well, we got it under control. Now, man, we're going to be sleeping in total comfort. That wasn't the case. So I think the first time I woke up was what, 4, 2, maybe? No, I don't know, like 2 o'clock, and I hit the pump because the bed was deflating. There was no air in it. And by 4 o'clock, it was like I was lying on the ground. So I got up. I was very emotional, and you know me, I'm always humble and kind. I don't get emotional. Did you hear that over there?
He was not happy, and I won't swear or say a bad word, but he was not happy.
To be, lack of better terminology, guys, very transparent, I was pissy and unkind.
I was going to say pissed.
You know, and it's nobody's fault. It's not Walmart's fault. That's where I bought the mattress. It's probably not the mattress company's fault. Could be a bad seam in it or something, but you know, you think you're gonna have this nice. So anyway, I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning. I tried to go back in. I went to the bathroom, went back in. Sorry about that. Spam callers. So I went back into the tent to get to retrieve my blanket, which Mrs. HDR gladly had wrapped around her somehow also, and I couldn't pull it out from under her. I don't know how she had it all wrapped up. So I'm outside sitting in 2 of those little folding camping chairs, and I got my beach blanket over my feet because it was like 60 degrees, very, very cold, and trying to doze off. I was like, I can't sleep. Finally it dawned on me, hey, I got my car fob in my pocket. So I got in the car, started the car up, turned the heater on, got it to about 80 degrees in here, kicked back and dozed off for about a half hour more. So operating on very little sleep today. But how did you sleep?
Oh, I slept well. Last night was fine for me. The night before it was bad, but last night was good. And
then we got the, you know, planes, trains, and automobiles. I mean,
yep.
Holy Lord, the planes flying right over top the campsite.
Trains, why they gotta blow that horn?
Trains coming across the road at 2 in the morning. Why you gotta blow your horn? I know, it's the law. We have to, no. If somebody's on that track at 2 in the morning, run over them. They shouldn't be out that time of night.
See how humble and kind?
See, I'm always humble and kind, right? All right, but I had to tell you that because sometimes camping, and I told her when she woke up, I said, you know what, I'm ready to just go home, man. Pack it up, just head home. I got my big queen bed at home. It's comfortable. It's calling my name. It's
stomping his feet like a little kid throwing a tantrum.
It says, say my name, tell me that. And I'm like, bed, hey, bed. But anyway, so we'll see. We'll see. Well, I just had a little bit of food, and I was less hangry. So, oh, come on. Really? Spam calls on my videos. Oh, my goodness. All right, folks, we're going to be underway here. I just wanted to put that story out there to you because sometimes when you're camping, well, just like a hotel, you know, we went to a hotel one time. I was with Bodine 52. He came out and told me that he had no shower curtain. So that was kind of odd, but that's what you do. He said, I took a shower. He said, piss on it. It's our floor. So, hey, he did. And if you got the floor wet, you got the floor wet. All right, we're going to be underway here. You have anything else to say?
No, we'll check back up with you later.
We'll check back in and show you some of the sights and sounds today. Peace. Okay, I wanted to bring you in here. This is Branson, Missouri. The home of the American tourist trap. It is. It's just like those places we go to in Tennessee. What are they called? Gatlinburg. Pigeon Forge. Miss HDR said this reminds her of Niagara Falls.
Yeah. The Canada side in Niagara Falls.
I mean, that is pretty cool there. Look at the camera thing there. They got celebrity up there. They probably got pictures of Mr. and Mrs. HDR in there. I'm pretty sure. Man, probably not. Celebrity in my own mind. Whoops, I better watch the car in front of me before I slam bam into it. There's a big Ferris wheel up there. We went to the Titanic Museum, which Mrs. HDR would highly recommend. Me, not so much.
No, I liked it. I thought it was too pricey, but
yeah,
I liked it.
Yeah, we both said the price of it's like $29 a person to get in.
It's like $33.
$33 a person to get in, and it's really like more like a $15 tour, maybe $20. You know, they're charging way too much money for that.
I think they are too. But I liked it.
Who's stupider, people that overcharge or stupid people that pay? But you know, we have neighbors at the campground that said it was awesome. They loved it. I mean, they're a little bit older than us. They might have been like on the Titanic.
They're the same age as us.
Oh no, they're the same age as us. They probably were not on that Titanic.
No, he said his wife really likes Titanic stuff.
Oh.
So.
Yes, I mean, for that, it's pretty cool, I guess, you know, but I think if you watch the movie, you'll have the gist of it. And you'll under the gist. There it is over there, actually.
Heroes.
There's the smokestacks to the Titanic right up there. Is that where we're going? Hero? No,
I thought that's where you wanted to go.
Hero.
Taste and taps.
Yeah. All right, we're going to pull in here so we can taste some taps.
Tastes and taps.
Taste and taps.
Yeah, there's the
Titanic's right over there. So, anyway. Should I pull over here? Yeah, what the hell? What the hell? Let's pull over here.
No, the Titanic thing is everything Titanic, and it's really cool. You know, you can stand on the staircase and get your picture taken.
Yeah, and you know, I'll put up a couple pictures here that they allowed us to take. So,
Park here.
They put me in P for park. Okay, guys. Well, that's the end of day number 4. We are cooking, as you see here, hot dogs on an open fire. Try to make something easier at 9 o'clock at night, 9 p.m. eating dinner, but hey, we had a really late lunch, and that happens. So, but I hope you've enjoyed the videos here of our Route 66 camping trip. Tomorrow we don't have a clue where we're going yet. We are still kind of undecided. We're trying to figure that out, but hey, it is what it is, right? All right. So anyway, thanks for watching these videos. Mrs. HDR is over at the tent site. You can't see her right now. I don't know where the heck she is. She's over there somewhere. That's the car. She must be behind me there. Maybe you can see her in the back corner there. But yeah, thanks for watching. Sorry it's a little grainy here, but it's getting pretty damn dark out here. So I do appreciate it. Still big campers coming in here, man. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the gas prices. We're going to talk a little bit about how people just don't give a shit. People don't care about the gas prices, man. It doesn't mean a thing to these people. These campers and these motorhomes pulling in here. Wow. So. All right, well, thanks for watching day number 4 here. and we will bring you back some more. All right, take care, everybody. Remember, ride your own ride, be safe. HarleyDayRider will be down and out in Springfield, Missouri, here at the KOA campground on Route 66. Later.